The Picterus Calibration Card is a single-patient, multiple-use card designed for safe and reliable jaundice screening by both healthcare professionals and parents. To further support clinical use, the card holder allows the calibration card to be used in settings where multiple babies need to be screened. The holder enables quick and effective cleaning and disinfection without compromising the integrity of the Picterus Calibration Card or patient safety. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to properly use and clean the card holder to ensure optimal performance. The calibration card is inserted into the holder like this. Make sure you don't touch the color patches on the card. Make sure that the card is secured under the tabs on the holder. Check that the card is fully inserted. The hole in the calibration card should be aligned with the hole in the card holder. Once you are sure the card is fully inserted, you can perform a Picterus scan as usual, according to the instructions for use. After completing a scan, slide the calibration card out from the holder and store it safely in the packaging. Clean the card holder using an alcohol-based cleaning solution or wipe. We recommend 70 to 90% isopropyl alcohol, or 60 to 80% ethanol. Thoroughly clean the backside of the card holder that has been in contact with the newborn's skin. Allow the card holder to completely dry before inserting the calibration card to make a new scan. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the Picterus card holder. Thanks for listening.